Yeah, and today, guys, we took about a 4-mile hike through the paths and the trails here at the MDC Reservoir property behind me. It's a vast area made up of 6 different reservoirs. And while we didn't see any obvious signs of activity today, this certainly has become the most recent focal point in the search for Jennifer Dulos. Another week and still no sign of Jennifer Dulos.
Sad, tragic, and awful.
The missing mother of 5, believed to be dead. The latest search focusing on the reservoirs in West Hartford. Cadaver dogs brought in Thursday.
I feel like she's not alive, but I still have hope.
On a tip of possible dredging Friday, Fox 61 scoured the MDC property trails on foot and with Sky 61. The vast property showing no obvious signs of activity.
There's so much land and so much water that's not on the main paved path. They'll have their work cut out for them, but also I suppose if you really wanted to try to hide some sort of evidence, there's a lot of area here where you could successfully do that.
The location about half a mile from the Farmington home of Jennifer's estranged husband, Fotis Dulos.
It looks like they have some pretty solid leads, and hopefully they'll have some closure within, the near future.
Information hard to come by. A judge issuing a gag order barring Dulos, his attorney, prosecutors, witnesses, and investigators from speaking with the media, in place until sentencing. Fotis Dulos pled not guilty to a second tampering charge following allegations that a Toyota Tacoma truck he drove tested positive for Jennifer's blood. A parting public message to the state from his attorney, Norm Pattis.
Here is our message to the state of Connecticut. Mr. Dulos is not guilty. When you're ready to try a case by appropriate evidentiary standards in a court of law, you'll know where to find it. We've got 3 words for the state: bring it on.
Investigators have been searching everywhere for evidence of Jennifer Dulos. They searched all of the Dulos properties. They've searched Waveney Park. That's where Jennifer's car was found abandoned. They've searched storm drains in Hartford where Jennifer's bloody clothing was dumped. But most recently, it has focused around these reservoirs. The judge, by the way, saying the reason for that gag order was to preserve Fotis's right to a fair trial. Jennifer Dulos has been missing since May 24th, and we just recently learned that the mother of Jennifer Dulos, Gloria Farber, wants to know how Fotis Dulos' attorney, Norm Pattis, has been getting paid. Pattis filing a motion to quash that subpoena, saying that that is between him and Fotis and subject to attorney-client privilege. We're live in West Hartford. Matt Carrot, Fox 61 News.